Hi guys, I hope you're well. This Dennis here, coming live from Malindi. I am in the Indian Ocean, enjoying a swim. As you can see behind me, there's a boat there, and I'm here in the water enjoying the Indian Ocean and enjoying the salty water. Behind you can see the beach and the hotel and the beautiful trees. These are coconut trees and they're so beautiful. But yeah, so this video is to take you through me enjoying the Indian Ocean and just swimming and the waves. Yeah. Let me put my goggles back so that I can dive in and you see how inside looks like. Yeah, hope you enjoy. So 1, 2, go. So the water is so salty, but I enjoy every bit of it, every bit of this swimming. But so salty that it stings you when it gets in the nose. Oof. So that's why I have to use these swimming goggles. But yeah, they help. Okay. So I'm just saying hi to my colleagues and enjoying the pool. Kujadi! So I was just saying hi to some friends as I go back in the pool. So freaking good. I'm enjoying yeah. So let me try and do backstroke. That's all. I think I'm done with swimming and I'll just get out now. But I think I'll just now go out because the pool was so nice. And now I want to go out. Yeah. The water is pushing me towards the beach, but it's so nice. So kwaheri wadau. Bye. One last look. The Indian Ocean. Then we have the beach. Yeah. Enjoy. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy.